So guys, so now in this video I'm going to teach you this simple trading entry model or trading model that you can use to be profitable in the market. Now this is our good, and we'll be doing our normal market analysis because today is Monday. Okay, so you guys already know the strategy already. You already know the strategy. It's in your screen right now. You know the strategy, you know the trading model. I've been teaching about this strategy and this trading model for a very long time ago. So now it's time to put it at work. Let's put it at work to see the effects and the good side of it. You understand? So let's start with our daily time frame. In our daily time frame, what do we expect from the market? This is our liquidity areas. First liquidity man, second liquidity man. What else do we have? Sell side liquidity. What else again? Nothing now. Okay, our buy side liquidity. Yeah, so let's go down to our 4-hour time frame. In our 4-hour time frame, we have this LVG. This is a 4-hour LVG. Refraining this, so this is it here. Use our Fibonacci tool and mark out the 50% of the 50% of the LVG. That's what I just did here now. The 50% of the 50% of the LVG. Remember, we in our 4-hour, the latest structure is a bearish structure. Look at it here. From here to here is a bearish structure, giving us our change of character after this recent break of structure. And that one here, break of structure. And now we have a change of character, but we're working with the recent market, you understand? Because if you want to work only with this particular market, then we know that we are going to be expecting price to reach this place, which is unrealistic for now. So now this is our 4-hour FVG that we'll be using to look for a clean sell setup. A sweep of liquidity just happened here now. Sweep of liquidity just happened there just now. Sell side liquidity, 4-hour sell side liquidity, and price just swept it below. Price will be going up to this place. If you can see any confirmation from the 5-minute time frame, then we'll be entering for a buy position from here that will take us to this particular place if there's any confirmation in the 5-minute time frame. But let's continue. So now what are we expecting from the market in this hour? We'll be expecting, look at what we're expecting here, for market to push to this side and move down. This is what to be expecting from gold today. I think this is what to be expecting from gold today. This is our 2-hour time frame. The same thing. A little bit of further block over here. or other block over here. 1 hour time frame. Nothing that special. Nothing that special. Let's reframe this. This is where, okay, this is the favorite FVG here in our 1 hour time frame. 30 minutes time frame. There's nothing going on around here. Nothing going on. Nothing much going on around here. 15 minutes time frame. The same. I don't think there's anything much going on around here. So we'll be waiting for, from this particular scenario, we'll be waiting for something like this. Price to go up here, come down, touch here, come down, type again, and boom to the downside. This is what to be expected. But as for now, I think we are buying gold in a 5-minute time frame. Shit, gold is already in a buy position, self. We entered late. I did this analysis late. This is our break of structure. But this break of structure is not that valid or good like that, but it's a good break of structure. You understand? It's a good break of structure. You can attach it with this. This is our FVGs. You have a very long FVG here, but this is our other block that price tapped into. Which time it is? 2 a.m. in the night. Nobody should be trading around that time. Nobody should be trading around 2 a.m. So now that we are still fresh, this is when we are supposed to enter for a new position. This is the break of structure. Why did I say that? Because this is a change of character. This is another change of character. So this is our break of structure here. And this is supposed to be our other block where our entry lies. Our entry should be from that particular place. Our stop loss should be below here. Is this big? How many pips? 100 pips. 100 pips. You should be targeting here. You should be targeting there. We already missed this entry. You should have entered this place, this market at this particular S zone here. You have made this entry. Let's check GG. Let's check GG and let's check AED first. Okay, price just broke this 4-hour FVG. You guys can see our FVG here from here to here. Price just scattered it. And where's price going to now? This is just a minor retracement, I think. A minor retracement. And a new FVG is being created here too. So let's see. At 2-hour time frame. Let's define this FVG at 2-hour time frame. Okay, this is what we have here at 2-hour time frame. From the recent market chart, this is our break of structure. After this change of character, you just can see it from the market after this change of character. Okay, so what next? 1-hour time frame. If price can dive into this particular place, Then this is our liquidity residing here. Remember what we said about double bottom and double top. This is liquidity residing here. We need confirmation before entering this trade. If there's no confirmation, then we'll be expecting price to dive into here, to dive into this FVG here. If there's no confirmation here, we're expecting price to dive into this FVG. 30 minutes time frame. From a 30 minutes time frame, we're waiting for price to come into this other block here, which is a bit realistic for today. If price can come into this other block and give us our 5 minutes entry pattern, then we are good. This FVG is not valid for now. This 4-hour FVG is not valid for now because price did not even respect that. Price did not respect that. So our entry should be from here and from here with confirmations. Always go with confirmations. If you don't want to lose money, always go with confirmations. So what are we expecting? Price to tap into here, go up, or tap down here and go up. One thing must happen. One thing must happen. GJ, our daily time frame in GJ, price just swept liquidity area. Price just swept that liquidity, and we'll be looking for our entry to buy GJ right now from our daily time frame. We'll be looking for opportunity to buy GJ for our time frame. Need a huge break of structure, a huge external range break of structure with all these tiny break of structures. What we're expecting from this market? Is there a FVG here? I don't think so. Price already gave us a sip of liquidity of the previous day low. So we're expecting from price, to move to this upside in GJ. That's what we're expecting. If price can push to the upside to this place in GJ, then we'll be glad. I'll be glad. So that should be. Let's check our 15-minute time frame. Our 15-minute time frame, I think it's time to start buying GJ. Yes, it's time to buy GJ. Break of structure to the upside. We're buying GJ. We're buying GJ now. Top loss should be below here. I'm buying GJ. So this is a break. I should wait for more. Are we waiting for more confirmations? This is being marked in our 4-hour time, in our 15 minutes time frame. So let's wait for more confirmation. Let's wait for a. You don't need the confirmation. You can all see it there in our 4-hour time frame, in our 5-minute time frame. But price already break that place below. Price already broke here below. So let's wait for a 5-minute confirmation before we are going up. That is it. 5 minutes confirmation before we are going up. That's what I'm going to be waiting for. Let's check our final pair for today. UJ. Okay, UJ is already in this particular marked fair value gap. This is our 15 minutes fair value gap. Also the 30 minutes fair value gap. Okay. Our 4 hour fair value gap have already been mitigated in this particular place. This line now is our 4 hour fair value gap. Price have already mitigated. So we'll be going down to we'll be using this 15 minutes fair value gap. This price already tapped into once, and did it dished out a full TP. Variety should be here, which happens around that 1:30 in the early morning. Our TP need to be above here, but no full TP is being dispatched. So waiting for a new entry here now from UJ, a new buy entry, which we'll be expecting confirmations from the lower time frame that yes, price want to start buying. Then after seeing that, boom, we start buying to the upside.